The Roman army is considered one of the most powerful in ancient times. The soldiers of the Roman army were known for their discipline and were often better trained than their opponents. Their logistical support and the extensive network of Roman roads gave them the advantage to move over large distances in a very short period of time. However, during those times, the unchecked spread of diseases posed a grave threat, capable of decimating entire armies before they even reached the battlefield. The most common diseases were plague and intestinal diseases, prevalent in that era. Rats emerged as the primary vectors of disease, contaminating the soldiers' food supplies and even the animals, such as horses, crucial for military mobility. Moreover, food wasn't the sole target of these rodents' destruction. A considerable portion of the Roman army's armament, predominantly crafted from leather, fell victim to the incessant gnawing of rats. The Roman military sought the aid of the most proficient predators available, cats, which were stationed in every remote fort and major military installation across the empire. Remarkably, a single cat possessed the ability to capture hundreds of rats annually, thereby safeguarding countless tons of grain and equipment stored in Roman warehouses and aboard ships each year. For the men who served Rome in remote outposts or traversed distant seas aboard ships, life was often characterized by profound loneliness and formidable dangers. Roman legionnaires and sailors developed a profound affection for these companions, whose presence provided solace during campaigns and naval voyages. Archaeological excavations at some ancient Roman military sites have uncovered mummified cats, accorded elaborate burial rituals and, in some instances, interred within coffins. Additionally, cats served another crucial role in the Roman military, acting as mascots and beloved pets for various army units and ships. Ancient Roman historical records document a unit of the 6th cohort of the Praetorian Guard, affectionately known as the Catti, or the Cats. The cats inhabiting these installations faithfully discharged their dual duties, providing companionship and protection from disease and hunger to these legionnaires and soldiers. If you liked my video, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.